Hello, welcome to session of CLM Unlock User Login Sessions. Today we will see why do we need to log CLM user and how one can unlock the CLM user, and then we will go through the live demo. Why CLM users are locked? When I say CLM user lock, it means if on a particular browser a user is logged in and if someone tries to log in using same user credential on another browser, a warning is generated which says the user has already been logged. When I say the user has already been logged, that means on the second browser no operations will be allowed. This is necessary because there is possibility of same admin being logged from multiple screens and that might cause damage to existing stacks. When do we need to unlock the user? When we have a urgency case wherein a CLM has been locked from one of the browser using admin and another person with same admin tries to log in, he will not be allowed to do any operation. It is sometimes very important to unlock the user and go ahead and perform the operations required. There could be a case of admin logging in from one of the browser and logging away from that machine. Hence, it is important to know how one can unlock the user. With this, we will go into a demo and see how one can release this lock. As part of live demo, we will try to log in to CLM console using two different browsers and same user ID. We will enter the login ID as ss_admin and click on login. We can now see that user can successfully log in into Cloud Lifecycle Management console. We will try logging into the Cloud Lifecycle Management from a different browser but same user. Now we are on a different browser and let us try to log in using same user ID. We can see an error message is generated that says user is currently connected from another machine. This means that the user has already been logged in and hence been locked to a particular browser. On this browser, the user will not be allowed to perform any operations. Even though it allows us to click on Administrative Console, we will not be able to see any of the resources of CLM. To get around with this kind of situations, we have to log into AR user and log into AR remedy server. Let us see how do we release lock of the user ss_admin. Once we are logged on to AR user, we can go to AR system administrative console of our AR server. On clicking, we get a new menu and let us expand applications. Under applications, we have user groups and rules. Let us expand it further. Under this, we have something called as license review. We click on license review and it will show us all the user logins that have currently been online. We can click on the user which we want, say ss_admin, and click on release user. This will release the lock from the user. Now we go back to the browser and try to log in using ss_admin. Now we are on the browser that was not letting us go in. Now we don't see any warning and hence we will be able to continue and log into Cloud Lifecycle Management from admin console. One can now see all the resources of cloud lifecycle management and perform required operations. With this, we will come to end of this demo. Thank you.